smell something burning, and I really hope it's not coming from the bike. So I have to go to the bank today, or else my account is going to go negative once they automatically take the money out from my bill. So I'm on my way to go do that, and I figured I'd make a video on my way there and back, I guess. And since yesterday when I recorded, I didn't really talk much and didn't know what to say. Today I'm leaving at 5 o'clock, right around peak traffic time, because I'm hoping I see something interesting in traffic, like a nice car mainly, or an interesting one. I don't really want to see any wrecks or anything, just because like I'm not going to wish that on people, and I don't want any close calls. But it wouldn't be anything new, I guess. But yeah, I purposely left today around peak traffic time, hoping to see something cool, because I don't expect to talk much again. And we'll see how it goes. Wish this mirror would stay put. I mean, there's a nice C8, so that's cool, I guess. Never seen a cop sit there before. I'm really hoping something happens to make leaving at this time worth it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be doing a lot of this. That's that pimped out Jaguar I saw in a different video. Just locked my rear wheel up and forgot how to talk at the same time. Multitasking. I think I underestimated the amount of traffic there was going to be. I could lane split, but that's illegal, and we all know I don't do anything illegal. Probably like a half hour into this video, I think, and I maybe talked for 3 minutes. And my gas light's on. I knew that was coming. Go. We could have went, but she's too busy adjusting her hair in the rear view instead of checking for traffic. Could have went again. You better go after this Jeep. Good job. I originally said I was going to make a video on the way down and back, but the way down alone is taking too long, so it'll have to be 2 separate videos if I end up making one on the way back. I didn't expect it to take this long. I don't know what day it is. I think it's the 21st. Nah, that's definitely wrong. Maybe not, I don't know. I don't really care. Someday in August. This will be the first video. Goes up in November. I think that's the 650. But yeah, I'm officially ended November once this video goes up. I hope some car comes up behind me. I'm gonna be stuck at this light forever because it's not gonna change for me. right, I'm just gonna end the video here because I'm at the bank, so obviously I'm not recording that. So I'm gonna end this one here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.